measure?
Yeah.
I want to measure the hole right here.
Three.
3 1/8.
Thickest we've been on.
Yep. 3 1/8.
3 and it will take that 8, boys.
Yeah.
8 more than I've had my whole life.
Super clear and strong as shit.
Yeah, that looks like some good fresh stuff. Wow. Drive the cars on, boys. It's thick.
They're shad.
They're shad?
Yep.
They look like shad. Are they big shad?
What? This is cool.
No, it's not cool.
I wish they weren't shad.
Yeah.
There's like some rock and shit over there though, man. That's like deep rock.
You got a little black spot?
Dude, that thing is epic. Monster, Jordan.
Heck yeah, I thought it was a catfish.
Dude, that thing is
I'll take
sick.
that over a catfish.
Yeah, that's better than a catfish. We catch plenty of catfish. He's all unique. It's not a 6, but it's definitely a 5.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty close to 6, dude.
I mean, is this the most you've ever been excited about an LM Busy?
It's so sweet.
Dude, that thing is wild.
It's got a black eye.
Let me get some pictures for you. That is a Chad eater, Jordan. Dude, that was a 21 incher for sure. You could have ate that sucker.
Yeah.
That was
I'll
sick.
take that over a catfish.
I would too, man. That's wild. All right, took a little bit. We did some underwater cameraing, saw some chads, millions of chads, bajillions. We were supposed to leave here and go to the other side at 9, and it's 9:09, and that just kept us here for at least a second. Good shit, Jordan. I already knucked you twice, otherwise I'd do it again, but twice is more than enough.
Oh. Yep. Dude, there's like 20, dude. There's no, this ain't a 20, but there's like 20 channels there. This ain't even the big one I was looking at. This one came up and just circled on him. He was all the way, oh my god! I could see him under the ice like 10 feet away. That is so sweet. Yeah, it's like a 12. Oh. Oh, so sick. Crush the lipless. Is gone. This is actually bigger than I thought. Yeah. Oh. Whew. That is. Just took a little more extra time looking. I wouldn't have caught that bass. Probably wouldn't have looked over here at all. Just a whale. Just a whale. Short and fat. There we go. Yeah. He's over by you. Like way over by you. I don't know. I don't know where he's at. I can just see my line going that way. I know, I can see my line going that way. Oh yeah. Oh, I see him. He's like 6 feet away. I might need assistance on this one. Might need assistance. Oh, I thought he just popped.
We're gonna see him here pretty quick. Oh my god. Dude, that's a big dog. Right off the side of a damn highway. It probably looked big when you hooked it too, eh?
No, he came out of nowhere.
Seriously?
I just seen his like a blimp show up underneath another one and
Looks like you got him in it. I shouldn't have left my pole in.
just doubled. This might be my longest channel fight for sure. Oh guys, I'm shaking so bad. No. It's gotta be close. Oh God, he's big dark guy.
Under you? Anybody got a scale? This might be a scale fish. And by might, I mean it is. Oh! High teener. Definitely. Definitely a scaler.
I'll put this down.
Might be it.
Dude, he's like as long as my sled, man.
Yeah, that's a huge.
My longest channel fight for sure.
Pissed off one.
Nice thing is with the rip and wrap, there's 3 extra hooks. Holy shit. The scale is in this pocket right here.
Okay. Figuring this out while you're still fighting.
I'm tired.
Worn out.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't think there's a way, even if I unclip.
Still fighting him.
It's so cold, I can't fucking do it.
Yeah, sorry.
I'm running to the truck. I'm getting my scale.
Okay. I gotta weigh this one. Josh's gonna run in the truck and get a working scale. Just gonna let him chill down here. I'm nervous, I'm shaking. This is a big fish.
That's smart. Oh!
I had to breathe, man.
Just hit a backflip.
We're good.
That's wild. Jordan, something ate your jaw jacker. Are they still by you?
Not really. There's been some just kind of coming through. I don't know where the herd's gone.
Yeah.
To look around.
If not, whatever.
Ready?
We're ready to give up.
Yeah. Just happened.
Here's your scale. My scale. Hopefully it turns on. That pissed him off. Turn on. Sick. I got my big fish rod that I was planning on using all year, but we were going for walleye, so I brought a walleye rod. But he probably just recharged down there.
Yeah.
Dude, you see that thing? It's wild. Forget what a walleye even is when I see one of those. Yeah, that's a rip and wrap. He's been on for years. That's a big pink-lipped, dark one. Good job. There it is. Dude, it's so dark. Definitely not a 20, but definitely the biggest catfish for any of us this season. That dude is wild. Is that not?
Fish, dude. Sick.
That's sick. Good shit. Kind of skinny.
Well, scale's broken, but I don't know, this is a heavy fish. At least 15 plus. We won't know though. But just a dark tank.
The sky in the background is wild.
I am shaking so bad. That was the longest cat fight I've had. Never caught one this dark though.
Unique fish, man.
Let's get him back. He's been fighting way too long.
He's ready. He's got one fin down for you. Take a breather, warm your hands. I'm getting back in there, Jordan. Good job, though.
I need a 5-minute break.
Proud of you.
Well guys, welcome back to another video. Josh, Clint, and I drove a few hours north, found some better ice, about 3.5, best we've been on. Super cold. Been here for a couple hours, but we were just finding schools of millions of shad, and we were about to give up. We were giving ourselves a time limit. I came over to this creek bed, caught probably a 5+ pound bass, and we were like, oh wow. Thought they were cats, was a bass. Scanned around, found another creek bed, and channels were here. So we're not giving up quite yet on this spot. We do have another option, but Josh caught one, Josh missed one, caught 2 now, so, and that was a tank. Definitely gonna figure out the scale situation. I got extra batteries, so I might be able to revive his, or just put his clip on mine or something, so won't be missing another chance to weigh one. I don't know if I can handle another one like that. What?
Alright, bro.
No.
Scale is broke or dead.
Well, the clip on mine's broken, but his scale was dead. But we got a working one now. I just put my battery in his. Lost him. Yeah, a few.
I just saw yours and his head first on the bottom.
It was big.
It looks big. Try this again.
Swimming on by.
Yep. Oh, that one turned around. Feels decent. I'd say yeah.
It
10 feet to my left. Away, still about 5-7 feet down.
I saw him through the ice over here. He looked them all.
Oh, did you?
coming back. There's Jor-Dan fish. My way.
Oh yeah, he's right here.
Giant?
Yeah.
Scale bud?
Over 12.
Another teenager?
Yep.
Oh yeah, Jordan. Dead stick or jig?
Dead stick. Holy smokes, he's a yellow bud.
Wild.
So cool.
Watch one chase the Chad. You went up after the Chad got away from you.
You got my pliers still?
No, I threw him in the lake along with my pride.
Your tackle box? Jeez.
Are you going in his butt?
Might have.
Good job, Jordan.
There we go. Found another little bunch of them. This one decided to play. Had a few that definitely turned it down. Whew.
Oh, you're talking about the channel.
Oh no, dude. They just keep coming in. This has been the same piece of bait for the last 3 fish.
Seriously, same piece of bait?
Yeah, I'm about to put a new one on now. Yeah, my leader still feels pretty good, surprisingly. Yep. Is there hooks on this thing? He's gonna ask you if you want to send and roll in about 2 minutes. I can see him bringing them out.
If it doesn't have raisins, I'll take it.
Yeah, would you like a salmon roll?
You bet. Oh,
They look
Ooh.
big.
it feels nice. 17 and a half, 17.5.
Guys, we are gonna end it on that note. Pretty awesome day for all of us. We all probably caught over 60 pounds, closer to 70 pounds of fish today. Average was pretty phenomenal, 15 plus, and absolutely wrecked them. Feels awesome to just weigh into the channels again and just chase schools around. New place. It was a great time, but we are gonna pack on out of here, go get some more Mexican food because we definitely deserve it after that beat down. But we had to get out because a big snowstorm is coming tomorrow for the next 2 days. They're calling 5 to 10 inches. Don't know what's gonna happen to the ice. Right now we're on 3, but this week is gonna bring negative temps and real cold weather. So we are gonna have ice, but I just don't know how much snow we're gonna end up getting on the lakes and what that's gonna do. I know from the past when we get that much, it's just a slushy mess. So had to get out and enjoy it while we could. Today was beautiful. It was a little cold towards the end, but we found some fish and I caught 5+ pound bass right away this morning. So not a bad first fish of the day, and wrecked some channels. Possibly broke a PB, but didn't get a weight on it. But we'll just leave that up in the thoughts of what that could have been. But thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.